Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another reporting tip for you. In this video, I will show you how to make a custom report layout. First, let me make a new report. And notice, the new report uses the default PolyWorks layout, which includes Innometrics logo. Let me go ahead and replace that logo with my company's logo. Let me position it, and let me resize it. Next, my company is interested in adjusting the footer info. For example, we're not really interested in the workspace info at the bottom, so let me remove that. And we're also not interested in the project info, so let me remove that too. We also want to move the device info to be in the same panel as the operator and email. Last, let me do some tidying up to make it look nicer. So let me make those bottom aligned. Let me make these distributed vertically. Okay. And if needed, I could perform similar operations for the content pages. So now I've made my adjustments to my custom report layout. However, if I make a new report, notice how PolyWorks is still defaulting to PolyWorks' Innometric layout. So let me go ahead and remove that. So to save this layout, let me navigate to the File menu, Save as Layout. And I'll call this as example. However, if I still make a new report, it still is defaulting to PolyWorks' layout. So if I navigate to my options, and in my options window, navigate to Objects, Reports, there's a section for the report layout, and you'll see it's defaulting to PolyWorks' letter portrait. Let me change that to use that example I previously saved. Apply and OK. So now, if I make a new report, it's using my new custom layout. Thank you for watching.